This topic has been touched on before, but because this is its own lesson, we will review with this video.
Bird's eye view is exactly what it means. We will be drawing one-point perspective through the eyes of a bird. We will draw it as if we're looking straight down. To start, you will need to draw a horizon line. Then, you will need a vanishing point. Remember, you can place it anywhere so long as it stays on the horizon line. Now fill your paper with squares and other shapes. Avoid circular shapes, those don't demonstrate much line work. Once you've filled your space, start connecting the corners of each box to the vanishing point. Your buildings are going to overlap, so simply stop your line if you reach another box. Once your buildings are complete, create some windows and doors. Remember, all lines must go to the vanishing point. For straight lines, they must be parallel to the building you're drawing from. When your boxes look like buildings, then it's time to move on to your scenery. You're looking down at your buildings. Your trees should look more like bushes. As for the roads, they have nothing to do with the vanishing point. So draw them as you please. Finish your artwork with either a forest or an ocean nearby.